We're going to talk about the Lindell base of fatal chemical release. Myself is Daryl McMorris. Accident location, La Porte, Texas. Date of accident, July 27, 2021. Accident overview. On July 27, 2021, an incident occurred which caused the Lindell Base Company to have a fatal disaster. A leak was discovered around the company equipment, and subcontractor workers were hired to fix the leak, resulting in the discovery of a bad actuator valve. The subcontracted workers, who lacked the knowledge of proper operating procedures and proper training, decided to take upon themselves to remove the actuator valve anyway. But instead of removing the actuator, they removed the bolts to a pressure retaining cover. The removal of the pressure retaining cover resulted in 164,000 pounds of acetic acid being released before causing an explosion. The resulting explosion caused fatal injuries to all three workers in the direct area. There were also another 29 employees that were exposed to bodily harm. The following investigation of the incident showed that it had occurred due to the subcontracted workers not being trained, a lack of communication, and lacking knowledge of proper operating procedures. 14 OSHA PSM elements: employee participation, process safety information, process hazard analysis, operating procedures, training, contractors, pre-startup safety review, mechanical integrity, work permit, management of change, incident investigation, emergency planning and response, compliance audits, trade secrets, PSM issues, operating procedures. This was an issue because the company did not provide the work crew with a procedure detailing how to remove the leaking actuator valve. Contractors. The employee did not review the potential risks associated with the removal of the leaking actuator valve. Contractor workers were not verified to ensure that they were adequately trained to complete the task. Mechanical integrity. There was no relief system identified. There was no alarm sensors or interlocks present during the removal of the valve. Lessons. The PSM elements are there for a reason. They are there to ensure safety in the workplace from all aspects within a company. They are there to prevent accidents from happening and keeping everyone safe. The Lionel Baso Company could have prevented this fatal accident from occurring if they would have took the necessary steps of ensuring everyone was trained. If there had been a proper operating procedure in the presence of a mechanical integrity involving equipment, the company would have prevented the death of 3 individuals and the injuries suffered by 29 others. Contracted workers and the companies that employ them should ensure always that the contracted workers are well trained with the ability to show their certifications when requested and are aware of the hazard identification. Conclusion. This is the citations that I was able to gather all my sources from, my information from. I apologize. Take a minute review. Thank you.